Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to report someone on Gmail using your Android device. If you've received inappropriate messages or content, it's crucial to know how to take action. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the Chat tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your chat conversations. Next, locate the conversation with the person you want to report. Once you've found it, tap and hold the conversation to bring up a few options. From there, select Block and Report. This will allow you to report the user for any inappropriate behavior. A prompt will appear asking if you want to mark Also Report. Make sure to check that box to ensure the issue is fully addressed. Finally, confirm your action, and you're done. You've successfully reported someone on Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your online experience.